Nigerian Genius.
By name Tawidewo, the part-5 student of LAUTECH studying mechanical engineering.
Hi, good evening. My name is Akintola Samson, a 500 level student, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, studying mechanical engineering.
Hello viewers, my name is Akintola Advanced, a 500 level student from Mechanical Engineering Department, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology.
So this morning basically we started our challenge as usual, and it was basically a shoulder work challenge whereby we were given 2 balloons, and those 2 balloons were inflated at the same rate. So we worked with the balloon, we put it at our arm like this, and we worked with it at one edge to the other. And successfully within 8.12 seconds, we were able to walk through the pen, and we happened to emerge as one of the winners of that challenge. Basically, in that challenge, we learned about team building, we learned about coordination, and also strategic planning. And we look forward to having you.
We'll do something that focuses more on team building, on strategic planning, and on coordination. Having said that, today's task is the balloon shoulder work. Your first task is to inflate it to the best size that you think will be good to do what you're about to do. Balloons have to be between your shoulders, and you walk a distance of 5 meters. So there's a start point and an end point. The winner will be those that move from the start point to the end point at the least possible time. So today we'll be using a stopwatch, and if the balloon falls or bursts, that's the end for the team.
Basically, after that, we had a section with CEO, and that basically was about the review and preview section. We review what we have done and also we preview what we're about to do. So basically, he admonished us that that's what we are here for, and also urged us to push what we are doing forward and to make sure that the problem will be solved so that the Nigerian power sector problem can be solved.
What is most important for us is that you are learning, because we are training you, and that you are able to communicate to the viewers nationwide what you learn. It's not an exam, it's just ensure that you learn. So when you are in a class, ensure you pay attention to what the trainer is delivering. Ensure that you understand. Where you don't understand, ask questions, and then when you come in the morning, you share with the world and the viewers what you've learned. One of the goals of the Nigerian Genius is to draw the whole nation towards engineering as a critical component of national development. So we wish you all the best as you continue in this noble cause of solving Nigeria's toughest engineering and manufacturing challenges. Good luck. Thank you.
We went to our various classes whereby we were taught or given some safety precautions which we need to adhere to as an engineer or a technician or technologist. So as you all know, in the manufacturing industry, safety is so much important. When you are safe, the equipment is safe, the environment is safe, and everyone is safe. When you are safe, the productivity of the company will be much increased. When you are safe, the productivity will be maximal. So we were being told some safety precautions as far when working with the lathe machine, when working with the milling machine, and how to coordinate ourselves when we are in the workshop.
We moved into the workshop department whereby we had training. We have to do what we call an adjustable table. And through that we make use of what we call the metal rod, the pipe. Then we were given the wooding to cut with jigsaw. Then with the pipe, we have to use what we call the cutting machine, whereby we do the measurements, the marking out. We first of all do the marking out, followed by the measurements. Then after the measurements, we move down to the cutting machine, whereby we cut to precision to the size that we have measured. Then eventually we do what we call drilling. The workshop department that we visited, has to do with all forms of engineering process that has to do with workshop, by welding, when it comes to welding, drilling, taping, and all those sorts of things. So that was